Dr. Amanwar Director ka DHS MI hanya kalai tarik unai lor ahaja arpo ula pente banagi shispa khandai ngut ki bio COVID-19 menta kasngi hanya pu prangut ki deni East Khasi District hakaban re pulai ngut ki de ki high risk contact shipho ngut naka armed force paramilitary force arngut ki de ki badani ke jingpang ka besrim ka biong khle lani ki influenza like illness iwe isari case but arngut ki nong trai haki jaka sumar Kariboy district kadang khat laingot ki bakin thobi handrengot ki buan phaina barjala hindrengot ki high risk contact but ibe ibadani ke jingpang ka be serium kum ke jingpang beyong khli ka West Garo Hills district kadang khat sangot ki bio COVID-19 menta kasngi ki bakin thobi handrengot ki high risk contact prangot ki armed force at paramilitary force but ibe buan phaina barjala ka West Jainti Hills district kadang way positive case bathamai ubade nong nya trok but ka South Garo Hills district kadang atli ki positive case hakaba baro arngot ki de ki nong nya kali.
Today is 109. East Khasi Hills 78. Out of this 78, 10 are armed forces, paramilitary forces, 68 from the others category. West Garo Hills 15, 8 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and 7 from the others category. RiKhasi 13, West Jainti Hills 1, South Garo Hills 2. The total number of active cases stands at 1,220. Out of this 1,220, 833 are from East Khasi Hills. And out of this 81833, 173 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, 660 are from the others category. West Khasi Hills 44, RiKhasi 84, out of this 84, 8 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and 76 from the others category. West Jainti Hills 3, East Jainti Hills 23, West Garo Hills 121, and out of this 121, 75 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and 46 from the others category. Southwest Garo Hills 3, South Garo Hills 21, and out of this 21, 11 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and others category 10. East Garo Hills 83, North Garo Hills 5. The total number of recovered cases today is 75. Out of this 75, East Khasi Hills 58, 38 are from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and 20 from the others category. North Garo Hills 4, West Garo Hills 12, 11 from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, and 1 from the others category. West Khasi Hills 1. The total number of recovered cases as of today stands at 1,393, and the total number of deaths is 30.
Total recovered today,
1,393. Total recovered today is 75. Out of this 75, East Khasi Hills 58, 38 from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, 20 from the others category. North Garo Hills 4 from the others category. West Garo Hills 12, 11 from the armed forces, paramilitary forces, 1 from the others category, and West Khasi Hills 1.